What's going on, people? My name is Antoine, this is ATM Tech, and welcome to the channel. So I was just pondering to myself the other day, what happens when you take a Galaxy Smart Tag and stick it in the post? Better yet, what happens when you take two Smart Tags and stick them in the post? Let's find out. So the Galaxy Smart Tag is a Bluetooth tracker that can be attached to your phone or keys, whatever, and you can use your phone to track its location. So obviously Bluetooth has limited range, so when you're outside of that range, the tag then relies on the Galaxy network. This means the tag can be picked up by a nearby Galaxy phone, which then allows you to see it on your map when you're looking for it. There are millions of Galaxy smartphones out there, so in theory, your Smart Tag will never be too far and you should be able to find it no matter where it is, obviously within reason.
So not long after dropping off the parcel, obviously my eager self had to check immediately just to see if I could track the tags, and lo and behold, there they were. So obviously someone in the vicinity had a Galaxy phone which allowed the Smart Tags to be picked up. The local post is normally picked up around 5:30 PM, so I do expect them to just sit there for a while, but I will check back in again. And just as expected, both tags are being picked up again. The location was updated just 5 minutes ago, so that leads me to believe that one of the workers at the post office probably has a Samsung. So I'm just checking in again. It looks as though the post has been picked up and they have been moved to its local sorting centre. Again, both tags have been picked up with no issues whatsoever. So it's a bit later on in the day and both tags have been picked up and moved to the larger sorting centre. Again, both tags have been picked up with no issues, although they are showing to be a bit of a distance from each other. It's a bit strange, but I expect it to sort itself out a bit later on. The only difference between the Smart Tag and the Smart Tag Plus is the Plus has ultra wideband technology, which really only works when it's within close range to the phone that you're using to find it. So for the sake of this test, both tags should throw up pretty much the same result each time. Checking in again, and yep, both tags are showing as to be right next to each other. So we're on to the next day and it looks like the tags are on the move and they are looking to be delivered pretty soon. I did post them first class, so the turnaround is pretty quick. Now this is the first time where they've shown to be so far apart. The only thing I can really think of is that maybe they were in the vicinity of a Galaxy smartphone for just a short time and maybe one got pinged and the other one didn't. Also, the fact that one was pinged an hour ago and the other one was pinged 38 minutes ago kind of reinforces that fact. They're probably on the move in the delivery van right now. So unfortunately that's the last I'm going to show you on the map, because we are getting a bit close to home and I'd rather you guys didn't see where I live. But here they are, arrived safe and sound.
So all in all, both tags performed pretty much the same, and for the most part they could be tracked at all times. So I think it's fair to say the Galaxy network is pretty reliable. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you got something from it or just found it a bit interesting like I did. If you did like it, go ahead and hit the like button down below. It helps me out a lot. But anyway, thanks for watching. My name is Antoine, this is ATM Tech, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.